Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is James Elagano. I'm 33 years old. I'm single. I'm college graduate. I have a 3 years and 4 months experience of a babysitter here in the Philippines. I finish contract. I extend because she looking a new babysitter or helper.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities is taking care of the child, preparing foods to cook, washing the dishes, ironing, cleaning the house, grocery shopping, and many more.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
Feed on time, and take medicine or vitamins is necessary, and keep them safe always.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I have finished in practical nursing. I cannot do to cook Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
I'm loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. And thank you and looking forward and see you to work with you.